crunchy, red and sweet, filled with fiber, they're a healthy treat. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, that's what they say.
Strawberries are red and sweet, full of vitamin C, good to eat. They grow on bushes not too high, pick them fresh, give them a try.
Pomegranates have tiny seeds, packed with vitamins that meet your needs. They're red and juicy, bursting with flavor. Try one today, you'll savor.
Pineapple is tropical, yellow and bright, full of vitamin C, a healthy delight. Cut it up, share with a friend, taste the sweetness to the end. Mango is orange and oh so sweet, from tropical lands a juicy treat. High up in trees they grow so tall, mangoes ripe and ready to fall.
Pears are juicy, soft and round. They grow on trees above the ground. Green or yellow, ripe and sweet. Pears are fruits that can't be beat. Papaya is orange, juicy and grand, filled with fiber, a healthy treat. Cut it open, scoop and taste. Papaya's flavor never a waste. Oranges are citrus, bright and round, filled with vitamin C, good all around. Peel them easy, taste the juice, sweet and tangy, a healthy boost.
Apricots are small, orange and sweet, fresh or dried, they're such a treat. High in fiber, good for your tummy, apricots are yummy.
Coconuts are brown and hard to crack. Inside the milk, a refreshing snack. Drink it up, eat the meat inside.
Coconuts bring a tropical tide. Fruits are yummy, fruits are grand, eat them up, they're in demand. Now we know our fruits so well, learning every day, what a swell.